Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am pretty much gonna show you how exactly I get my hair this bone straight. It's really so perfect to me. At first it's gonna start off with a quick little time lapse to finish half of it. Then I showed you how I did the basically top part, then it runs back into a time lapse. But in the beginning of the whole entire video, I'm going to show you how I bleach this wig from Donmily hair in 30 seconds. Not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. This wig that I was sent is a body wave unit that is now straightened. Of course, it was 24 inches and 180% density. It was a lace front wig and it is 13 by 4 for the frontals. It can be parted on the side. It is also a glueless wig, so I could pull it up off, like you could tell. Yeah, it's a glueless wig, so I can pull it off at night and put it right back on. I just love these wigs because you can make them glueless. You don't have to put glue on your hairline. You no longer have to damage your edges, especially if you have sparse edges or anything like that. Donmily hair wigs help, so definitely check out the link in the description box so you can purchase this gorgeous wig, and it straightens really good. I definitely will be curling it and posting on my Instagram, so definitely check that out and stay tuned for that so you can see that it curls as well as it straightens. So yeah, let's get into the whole video on how I bleach my frontal wig in 30 seconds. Like, no lie, this is gonna work. This is not no crazy nothing. It's gonna work. Nothing's gonna happen to your wig. Y'all should try it. Send me pictures and videos on Instagram and Snapchat of you doing this to your Donmily wig. The link to this wig will be in the description box. So yeah, it's really thick, and we are silk pressed to the gods, honey. Period. So this is what the wig looks like from Donmily hair. It comes in this box that says human hair wigs. It tells you all their social medias, like every last one of them is on there: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And it just gives you their logo, and it says be special, be you. So they promoting being yourself. So myself is crazy, and I like to experiment on stuff. So this is what the box looks like. It had a wig cap in it, but I don't use wig caps, so I didn't need it. So this is what the wig looks like. It says 24 inches and it's a body wave wig. I will be silk pressing it, so honestly I should have just got straight, but I just want to see how straight this hair gets. So this is the lace. Yeah, so they're not bleached. As you can see, they're actually still black. So this is the wig fresh out the pack. Do you see this? Do you see all this luster and shine, honey? Like, y'all can't tell Donmily hair a thing, okay? Y'all don't have nothing on them. It is a lace front wig. So as you can see, you can actually do a side part, a nice deep clean side part, without having a 2-inch parting space. This is a 13 by 4, okay? Period, cool. And inside it has clips to secure the wig on your head, as well as this adjustable band. And this adjustable band actually helps in making your wig glueless. So let's just get into bleaching the knots, and I'll tell you what crazy idea I have going on. We're just going to get into putting this wig on the head. If I was not filming this, I wouldn't do this. So I honestly don't even do this, but just for the sake of this video, to show you exactly what I'm doing, I'm gonna do this. So as you can see, all the hair is pulled back, and if you want to make sure that it's pulled back for real, just take the edge of a comb and just push the hairs back. You don't want no hairs to the front. You don't want nothing getting bleached that shouldn't be bleached. I have my bleach right here, and I'm going to use my Wella Color Charm 40 Developer and mix it up with my bleach. So here goes. We want to make this consistency actually thick, so I just poured some in, and right now I'm just gonna, Jesus, what the heck? I have another one, so yeah, just mix it around. This is obviously too thick, so you want to just keep adding more as you go, because you want it to be the perfect consistency and you don't want to make it too watery. So it's better to keep it thick and then keep diluting the bleach with the developer as you go, just so you can make sure like you're eyeballing exactly everything that you're doing. So this is pretty much how thick we want it to be. This is the thick cream-like consistency that you want it to be. So right now, just get some bleach, barely even push it in to the frontal lace, and just stay bleaching. So I'm gonna put some background music in, and I'll be back when I'm done with bleaching the portions of the frontal that I want to bleach. So I took the rotating plate out of the microwave, and what I'm gonna do is just close it and give it 30 seconds. My wig is in there, y'all, on everything I love. Let me turn this down so y'all can see. The wig is in there, and you want to stop each time just to see what's happening. You do not want to leave it in there for a full 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's bleaching it. It's bleaching the knots. So keep going. It's on 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay. Can y'all see that steam coming from it? I don't know if you can. But it's slowly getting bleached. I'm gonna leave it in there for 5 more seconds and take it out. And then I'm gonna wash it and show it to y'all. Oh crap, okay. I just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's all that I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna just take it, wash it out, and bring it back on camera just to show you guys that it's actually bleached in under 30 seconds. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, the insides is bleached. It was looking like basically over here before, and now it looks like a little brassy with blonde. The knots are bleached. Like, some of them are still have the black dots, but they're fully bleached. Like, all I have to do now is just pluck the wig and get to silk pressing it for you guys. So let's just jump into me having the wig on my head, and I'm going to do a time-lapse silk press for you. So I just showed you that I actually bleached my body wave wig in under 30 seconds with the microwave, and y'all should try it too. I'm like halfway through straightening the hair. So as you can see, this looks like this, like it's supposed to, and this is the body wave portion. This is the part that got wet and blow dried, but this isn't, so this is how it looks. It's still pretty. So basically I'm just gonna go in step by step and show you guys what I'm doing. It's not hard, okay? If you have a wig and you have a flat iron that goes up to 450 or 500 degrees, you should be fine. And basically what I'm gonna do is take the Reza. Yeah, so what I'll do is just take the oil. It's just oil to put on the hair. That's all I use it for, just to put it on the hair. And once I run it through like a section, what I do is push the hair back, make sure the comb goes through so I don't have problems with it while flat ironing, because you don't want to flat iron no knots in the hair. And just take your flat iron and slowly go down. That's what y'all saw that was demonstrated in the time lapse. And you can go over this. You could go through so many passes with the flat iron, with the hair. The only reason why I do that is so it could be bone straight, aka what the definition of a silk press is, silky straight hair. And that's the goal. So basically we're gonna use as much heat as possible to achieve it. And because this is not our real hair, this hair won't have heat damage. You will wash it and it'll bounce right back. It'll still have the waves that was in it before we straightened it. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm just gonna do another piece in real time, and then I'm gonna just go back to time lapse. So let me just flip this over, take another portion of the hair. And also, it doesn't have to be too small, and it doesn't have to be too big. You don't want to make it too big because you want all the hair follicles to be penetrated by the heat. So pretty much just take a good amount of hair that you think can fit in a flat iron, and you know it's not too chunky, and just straighten it. Okay, loves, so that is the end of just showing you basically how I silk press my hair. I in the beginning showed you how I did my under 30-second microwave bleach hack. So instead of waiting 30 minutes, literally you wait for 30 seconds. Like literally the best thing ever. Like that's the best hack I ever found out about. I no longer have to wait for my clients' wigs to be bleached or mine ever when using this hack. So I just use my Sebastian Shaper Plus in order to just remove any flyaways that could occur or were there, and there was actually none. So I'm actually very happy about that. It just seems like such healthy, thick hair. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Donmily Hair for sending me this gorgeous body wave 24-inch unit. If you'd like to purchase it, the link will be in the description box. And if you'd like to shop with Donmily Hair, the link will be in the description box. So yeah, this is my gorgeous silk press body wave hair, 180% density. Get at me. period. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at DanielleNaomi_ to see pictures of me in this gorgeous hair from Donmily Hair.